If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where you are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on indefinite integral. So here the question is mixed definite and indefinite integral. So I will take first that indefinite integral portions. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 1C, 5, 7D and then 11. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number 1C, it is asked to find the integration of this one. So it is x cube plus 3x plus 2. So it cannot be factorized because it is not quadratic, it is not x square x. You can think of 2 plus 1. But if you are not factorizing also, but you can split the numerator. Suppose if I write it is x cube plus x and then 2x plus 2. So if I take 2 common, it is x plus 1. If I take x common, it is x square plus 1. So I can split it. Once one I can write this by this, and one I can write this by this. What is the benefit? If I write it this by this, then one factor get cancelled. So it will get cancelled with this square. So one integration will be this one integration is this one. Now this one is, how to find this one? This is partial fraction. So for this partial fraction, what you can do, I think we have discussed this type of partial fraction. If it is not discussed, I am showing you one more time here. You see, because it is quadratic in nature, one root. So here it will be ax plus b divided by x square plus 1. Because it is quadratic, it should be of this fashion, and c by x plus 1. 1 degree less. If it is 2, then it should be 1. Start with it. Here it is 1, that's why x degree is 0. So now we can take LCM and find the coefficient of AB equating the coefficient of either side, or whatever value you put x equal to something we have already discussed. So if you do this one, if you see this one I am splitting. So here a will be, if you solve it, you will find a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1. So if you put it, you will get this one. And second one is this one. Now how to solve this one? Here you can take the denominator as t, then you will find the numerator x square plus 1. So you can get, one is x by x square plus 1 and one is 1 by x square plus 1. X by x square plus 1, you can write it 2x. So that if you do the differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x. If you take this is t, then 2x dx will be dt. So dt by t, so it will be log t. Just you have to make it differentiation of this one 2, that's why I have to give half. So it will be 1 by 4. Directly I am writing, and it is 1 by 2, 1 by x square plus 1, you know it is tan inverse x. And this one is 1 by x plus 1 is ln x plus 1. Now if you come here it is x square plus 1. So in trigonometric substitution we have seen, if it is x square plus 1, generally we take x equal to tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec theta. So it will be tan theta, then dx will be equal to sec square theta d theta, sec square theta d theta 2, and it is x square plus 1, tan square plus 1 whole square. So it is sec square whole square. So 2 sec square, sec square, sec square. 1 sec square will get cancelled with this one. 2 by sec square will be 2 cos square. 2 cos square I can write it 1 plus cos theta. 1 is theta, cos theta is sin 2 theta by 2. And theta is nothing but tan inverse x. Sin 2 theta is equal to, again you can put it, what will be sin 2 theta? If tan theta equal to x. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta is x divided by, or you can write it sin 2 under bracket tan inverse x, but that is not given in the options. So if you have to check what way the option is given, you can write it this way also, sin 2 into, instead of theta you can write it tan inverse x, but you have to check whether option is given in this way, or otherwise you apply sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, so 2x by 1 plus x square. So rest is all things are there, then plus c. So this is your answer. Next, if you come to question number 5, evaluate sin inverse 2x plus 2 by 4x square plus 8x plus 13. So obviously because it is sin inverse is there, we have to do some trigonometry substitution. So you can think it of, and it is under root, we always take it, make it as a perfect square. So first you think of making it perfect square. To make it perfect square, generally take keep x single, x square is single. So you take 4 common, that is 2 will be taken common. 2 you can take from numerator also, so it will be x plus 1, and denominator it will be x square plus 4x plus 13 by 4. Then you make it perfect square, sorry 2x, I am taking 4 common, so x square plus 2x plus 13 by 4. So you can make it x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 13 by 4 minus 1. So it will be 4 by 99 by 4. So you can find it out, it is x plus 1 whole square. Now if you, because it is something, if you take this one is a x now, because this is whole square, so it is x square plus something. So it is always, we said, then it is tan theta we always take, because tan square theta plus 1 is x square theta. You can 1 plus x square we always take tan theta, but here it is not x. I have to take x plus 1 is equal to tan theta. not tan theta. You have to think it in this way also. A tan theta, it is a square x square, so take x equal to a tan theta. That was the format how to substitution I have explained in theory. So it is always a tan theta we generally take for substitution. So it is a is equal to a 3 by 2. So you write it x plus 1, this thing is equal to a tan theta, 3 by 2 tan theta. Now if you put it there, dx equal to then 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. So it will be 3 by 2 instead of dx, 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. X plus 1 you put 2 by 3 by 2 tan theta. It will be 3 by 2 square tan square theta, 3 by 2 square. You can take 3 by 2 common, so 3 by 2. So it will be 1 plus tan square theta sec theta. Now if you, it is 1 by cos, it is sin by cos, cos get cancel, it is sin inverse sin theta. So it is theta into 3 by 2 sec square theta. Okay. So now what is the formula? It is now by parts, product of two functions. So 3 by 2 constant. So you can do this substitution. It is highlight. So it is algebra, theta is nothing but algebra, and it is trigonometry. So the algebra will be first function, it will be second function. So you can apply that shortcut also. First function constant, integration of second sec square is tan theta, minus differentiation of first, theta is 1, x is 1 with respect to theta, and integration of tan theta, that is log sec theta. That shortcut, or you apply by parts, or 3 by 2 plus c is always there. Ultimately at the end you have to put that theta. What is your theta? Theta is equal to, you can see what will be theta, 2 by 3 x plus 1 tan inverse, 2 by 3 tan inverse x plus, tan inverse 2 by 3 x plus 1. So that is your theta. You put it like this. In the option, if it is there, you check which one is correct. Next, if you come to question number 7d, what is asked in 7d? For any natural number, evaluate this where x is greater than 0. Now you see here, it is to the power 1 by m. Okay, it is there, x to the power 2m, 3x to the power m. Here it is x to the power 3m, x to the power 2m, and x to the power m. Now by somehow, if I can send one x there inside, so it will be 3m and it will be 3m minus 1. So its differentiation will be coming here. So what is the idea how to do this one? You take one x common here. So it is already 3m minus 1, 2m minus 1, m minus 1. And you try to incorporate that x inside this one. So it is 1 by m. So how it will go inside? It will be going inside x to the power m. You can write it x to the power m to the power 1 by m. So whole 1 by m if you give, so you take product by x to the power m. So if you take product, 2m will be 3m, m will be 2m, and it will be, you are multiplying the whole thing by x to the power m, because to the power is 1 by m already there. Ultimately you are multiplying by x. So now if you take this one as a t, you will find this differentiation of this one as this one. How? If you take differentiation, it will be 6x to the power 3m minus 1, it will be 6x to the power 2m minus 1, it will be 6x to the power m minus. So if you take 6 common, so if you take this one as a t, this is equal to t. If you do differentiation, it will be 6m will be taken common, then this thing will come. That 6m x to the power 3m minus 1, 6m x to the power 2m minus 1, 6m x to the power m minus 1, dx equal to dt. So this into dx will be equal to dt, and this is 1 by 6m will come. And here it is, you have taken, this is t to the power 1 by m. Now if you integrate it, t to the power m 1 by m plus 1 by 1 by m plus 1, finally you put the value, that is your answer. Now the integration is integration x square plus 1 by x cube plus 2x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 dx is equal to. Now this is something of under root, but it is not your proper quadratic or linear or quadratic. So if it is of something of root algebra, then try to do some kutur putur or chutur putur we say. That means introducing something so that one differentiation becomes other differentiation. So that we generally do, so that the dx of, we do something in the root, under root, so that something come out of this, so that dy by dx of that one becomes, you can see this one. So if you divide by numerator by x cube, this is by x cube you are dividing, so it will be 1 by x, it will be 1 by x cube, and it is as it is. Now suppose I am taking x to the power 2 common from here, so that means 1x will come out, so it will be 1 by x square minus 1 by x cube. Then what will be there inside? 2x square minus 2 and plus x square. This thing I think you have done. And this one again we have take one more x. If we take one more x, then it will be 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power 5 under root 2 minus 2 by. Now what actually I am doing? Now if you take this one differentiation, 1 by x square differentiation is 1 by x cube, 1 by x4 differentiation is 1 by. Now something of this one differentiation will come in the numerator. So that you have to see. So if you take this one as a t, so what it will come? The differentiation of this one minus 2 into 2, that is minus minus plus 4 by x cube, and this will be minus 4. Already there is a minus in the formula, so that minus will come. There is no bracket. This one is as it is. because in the formula it is minus 2, so minus 2 minus 2 plus, in the formula it is minus 4, so plus and minus minus by divide by. So if you take 4 common, that will be t by 4, and this into dx equal to dt, so it is dt by under root t, so it will t to the power half by half, then you put the value of t. So in this type of case, you try to take something out of x so that the differentiation of this one you can see in the numerator or in the side, so that if you take this one as a t, dx of that one, it becomes dt. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.